It's time for another 2-minute tech tip.
My name is Nimphius and I'm from the Oracle Digital Assistant Product Management team. In these 2 minutes I want to talk about how to handle extended user idle time in the Oracle Web SDK. So let's get started. The bot that you see here is set up such that it expires 10 seconds after the user inactivity. When the bot expires, then the user sees a dialog reminding the user for continuing or cancelling the conversation. If the user continues the conversation, then the conversation will be brought back to exactly the point where the bot left it. If then the user remains idle, then the same dialog is displayed again. Now, if still the user remains idle, then in this sample at least, the bot will cancel the conversation. So how do you implement this into your own bots? In the dialog flow, you actually will have to use System Common Response component for all of the bot responses. The System Common Response component has a property called the Channel Custom Properties property. And this property allows you to send channel-specific metadata. In this case, it's the current state, which I call the last state, it's the bot ID, and the go-to state. Now the go-to state is the state in the dialog flow where you want the bot to go when the session expires. So you see I have the same setting here for another response. And then at the bottom of my dialog flow I have the state, which is just the dialog you saw, to go to and to remind the user of the conversation. In the JavaScript Web SDK, and that's what the Oracle Web SDK is, there is a bots delegate defined that listens for bot responses. For every response, it clears the timer, and for the responses that have a last state set, it actually sets the timer, in my case, to 10 seconds. Here is the timer function that I'm calling, and this timer function, when it expires, calls the bots Web SDK API, bots send message, and pass it a postback message. And this is how it works.
Was that a good tip?
I think you've got what it takes.
We want your opinion. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.